Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today for 1st of April I was thinking to put the title that I sold all my Elrond, but then I remembered that maybe some of you would panic and sell your Elrond based on the title without checking the video. I didn't want to risk that, so therefore we will talk about a much more serious stuff here. We are not gonna joke. And that is why I don't think that Elrond is a Ponzi scheme. Stay with me. So yesterday in my video, some comments, very valid points and correct points appeared that Elrond might be a Ponzi scheme because it hasn't moved for 2 months, 3 months, and I think that is a very valid question. We should always be skeptic when it's about our hard-earned money. Let's talk about that. And in this video I'm gonna tell you why I trust Elrond, okay? For me, two things are very stable in this life and in this business, and that is stupidity, and the other one is greed. I know that everyone is greedy. If you're not greedy, I think you have to be Buddha or somebody, but everyone who is in crypto business, who's making just the smallest investment, they are with the hope that they are gonna double their money or make at least 10% more or something like that. And that's okay, that's why it is, that's financials about. We want to make money. Nobody needs to lie that they are here for technology. You can be here for technology because the technology is more and more used, but of course with the technology also comes a big opportunity. No need to hide that. So why I trust Elrond? I don't know if you remember Benjamin who had at one of the interviews, and maybe most of you wouldn't know because it was in Romanian, one of the journalists asked him if he wants to be a millionaire in dollars with Elrond. And his response was that I was a millionaire before Elrond. It's not that I think that the millionaires don't want to be billionaires. I think all of them want to be billionaires, as those who are not millionaires want to be millionaires, of course. And that gives me also trust. That gives me trust because if somebody is already having enough money not to look behind his back, not to be affected by the small things of their lives like bills and that sort of things, and I know that it's a bit extreme, but you get what I'm trying to say. They have money to invest and start such a project that they don't aim to make 2 million out of their 1 million, for example. They aim to make from their 1 million to 1 billion, and that cannot be made in 1 year. I don't think so. I don't think it's possible. Therefore, why I trust this team? I trust this team because it doesn't seem to be a pump and dump, first of all. Second of all, they are making a lot of associates, a lot of partnerships. They are planning, at least that's what I understood from Benny's interviews, they are planning on the long run. They want to bring in something revolutionary, something new, something which would have people, and yes, make them money. Why would anyone do anything if there is no gain for them? I would never understand people who say they don't work for money. Everybody works for money. Everyone wants to have a better life. It's something which is an open secret. I think I still don't get why people would say that I work for the joy of work. No, you don't work for the joy of work. You work for money. You work for a better life, for a better future for the children, so on, but let's not get into that too much. So I believe that when you already have enough money, which would hold out for you for the rest of your life, but you still decide to open a company, you still decide to engage in project, you still decide to put down something, some strong funds to build something on it, like Elrond does, then I don't think that they are planning for 1 year. And since money doesn't move them, of course, and this doesn't mean that they don't buy and sell Elrond, or that they didn't buy some, I don't know, at the beginning and sold when it was 200. No, it's just behind the project there is a bigger target for them, a bigger objective than this where we are right now. And for that I will use another coin, which I also hold some money in it. I trust it and I will not sell it. I will not sell it even if the bear market comes, and that is Cardano. And with Cardano, I want to show you what could be the worst case, one of the worst cases for Elrond. Okay, and yes, we could say that worst case will be that the project stops, everything goes to zero, and everybody loses their money. I don't see big probabilities for that. But in the bear market, there is a big probability that the price will still go down lower than it is right now, and the higher it pumps in this bull market, which is not over yet, not even close to over yet, I would predict based on what I saw on other channels and on stock to flow markets and checking the other bull markets, that we still have a couple of months left ahead in the bull market. The price will go down eventually, and some of you will sell your Elrond, will not have the patience to wait out. And this is why the number one rule is that only buy crypto on the money which you don't need. Here we are in the TradingView application, and this is the Cardano price from 2018 until today. And please note that this is a logarithmic scale, meaning that here we are at 0.4 and here at 1.18. So as the project started, the bear market kicked in, and after it spiked up, it went down, and it went down pretty good, because it went down from 0.4 to all the way down to 0.02. Okay, that was a 95% drop. I'm not saying that Elrond will drop this much, just hear me out, okay? After the bull market kicked in March 2020, Cardano went up 7,100%. And those who invested their money, which they don't need, which they can keep 2 years, 3 years, whatever, they did not sell when price went down here and there. They just bought some more here, some more here, some more here. Maybe they sold something here just to make some profit, and then it went down, they bought something here and some here. And the project behind, they didn't stop working. They know that the bull market will come, and the most work they put in, the better development they have, the price will pay back their efforts. And it did, because as you just saw, from 0.02 it went up to 1.4, and now it's at 1.2, but detail. Let's check Elrond's price, okay? And I just want to emphasize that Elrond is very, very young project. I mean, it was listed on Binance last year in September, and it already went up 1,300%. So could this be the top for this bull market? I don't know. It could. I am not sure, and I don't believe that it will. I do think that we still are ahead of a bull market, which would put us at around $300 range. But after that, it is possible, and I'm not saying that it will happen, but it is possible that after we went up there, or maybe to 500, it goes down 90% as all the altcoins. But let's just assume that from 500 it will go down 90%, which will put us back into the $55 area. If we take Cardano as a basis, and I think the Elrond project is just as good as Cardano is, if not better, that we will start the next bull market, which could be in 2023, for example. I mean, if it stops this year in September, I would account for 1.5, 2 years bear market and then another bull run. And if we go from 50 or 40, let's say 50, and account for the same height as Cardano did, then a 7,000% is possible. It is possible, and that could take us up to the 3,682. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to suggest here, that getting rich from today to tomorrow It's not impossible, but you have to be extremely lucky. With trading, with crypto, patience is key. Patience, and to have your money invested which is not crucial for you to have it. And those who are holding Elrond, just one extra thing just to give it to you. Let's say it goes back from today to 2023, this 7,000%, and it goes, let's just be pessimistic here, and goes up to 2,500. Okay, 2,500. If you have staked only 10 Elrond and you get back a 15% APY, which is your revenue per year, that means 1.5 Elronds per year, right? 2023 will be in 2 years. That will be 3 Elrond, okay? Only 3 Elrond. But if you wait out and Elrond goes back to 2,500, for you that will be $7,500, okay? $7,500 on top of what you have staked. This will be the commission for you for waiting out, not the profit you will take off from the Elrond you have. I know it's scary to talk in such a big timelines, but we do need to take in consideration these probabilities as well. We don't need to be scared or panicked by them. And if you already have your Elrond bought, maybe you bought it at 30 or 7, then the only thing you need to do is be patient and wait out for the next bull market. I wish you all a happy Easter. The next video is coming on Tuesday. If something very strange happens or the price drops or goes up, then of course I will come with an emergency video. I hope we will not need, or I hope we will need it for the price grow. But if everything stays stable, then I will see you on Tuesday. Subscribe to my channel if you like the content and smash the like button. See you on Tuesday.